Alright, two of the most common things when your bike's running lean and it's new is usually these come with small imperfections. If you can see, there's one right there where you would get a air leak. So what you want to do is start out with some sandpaper and a nice flat surface such as glass, granite, a piece of tile, something like that. And put some water on it and just slowly smooth it out till you get a nice finish. Start with like 120, like 300, 600, and you should be good to go. The other thing too is make sure this face is nice and smooth. Get all the roughness out of it, because the next part is what happens a lot too. The way that they cut those grooves, if you see them, what happens is it doesn't seal enough with this just going in and clamping down. It can't grip this surface enough to make a good gasket. So the fix to that is to pop an O-ring in there. None of them ever come with an O-ring, but put an O-ring down in there, and what happens is this surface will meet with that surface against the back wall of that down in there. And when you push them in, now you got a nice sealed carb to your manifold.